Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I don't ever do this, but this sale is just so good. I want to actually show you some of the amazing deals that you can be getting. And this video isn't meant to be a hard sell and really try to push you to do anything. But the reason why I wanted to do the video is just so I can call out a couple things in case you are shopping, and also to try to get the word out, because I feel like a sale like this, which is the Spellbinders Spring Cleaning Warehouse sale, it only comes around once or twice a year, and I feel like the ways, how deeply discounted things are, makes Spellbinders products now accessible to people who might have a smaller budget. And so I just want to kind of put the idea out there that if you are watching this and you know somebody who has a limited budget or just don't want to spend a lot on crafting, but they enjoy the hobby, or somebody who's new and they don't have a lot of stuff, and here's a chance for them to really build up their stash for not a lot of money and very quickly at that. So when you go to the spring warehouse clearance sale, you'll find at the top there's different buckets that easily filter the products. So you've got your $1, $2, $3, $5, $10 buckets. You can shop past club kits, and those easy buttons help you to filter the products. Now, what I will mention is that you're going to find a lot of products that are very recent releases. We're talking 2022 releases. So there are some sets out there that are years old, but there are some pretty new recent releases as well. And so use all the different features of the website. So one of the things I like to do is I like to sort all of the products in different ways. So you can sort by price from low to high. You can sort by what's newest. So let's say you're a longtime Spellbinders fan like me, maybe the older releases, you might already have a lot of those. So you can sort by what is newest. And that way, what shows up first are the most recent releases. Let's say you are not subscribed to the club kits and you want to sort of pick some of those up a la carte. You can click on that past club kits button to just see past club kits. So we're talking the card kits, which are, some of them are marked down to $20 from original retail of $60. Some of the large die of the month, APG die of the month, they're up in the $30 to $40 range, and they've been marked down, some of them to $5. So there are a lot of really incredible deals, and as I browse, I'm just calling out some of the things that are fabulous bargains. So, even in the $1 section, you can get really nice die sets that released just last year that retail for $10, $12, $15 and have been marked down to a single dollar. So even if if you only have like $20 to spend, I think it's quite possible you could pick up 10 die sets for just $20. So, shop the sale, and if you have things that are on your wish list, maybe see if they have popped up in this clearance sale, because I was really surprised. I think my biggest get when I shopped was I just crafted with BB Cameron's Hummingbird collection. Earlier, I think it must have been last year maybe, she released a butterfly collection and I missed out on that. So I've been waiting for it to go on sale or maybe find its way into the clearance section. Little did I expect it to actually hit this clearance sale, where I got die sets. I think I picked up two, and I might talk myself into a second order where I pick up the rest, but I got two die sets Each of them over $20 originally. I think 20 and the other one was maybe 25 or something, or 25 and 30, can't remember. But they were both marked down to $5. So you can be getting $25 die sets released in 2022 for only $5. So I feel like this is the sale to shop because there are just some incredible bargains. I picked up some of those stitched glimmer plates and the stamp sentiments to go with the stitched alphabet. Glimmer plates for $3. Can you imagine? It's just phenomenal. So I wanted to put this video out there just so that you can actually see for yourself. I know just me saying in my community post there are some fabulous dollar deals. You might not just realize how fabulous the deals really are. That's the one that I got, the butterfly one. And so I just wanted to actually show, some of the amazing deals, but I also just want to put the idea out there that if you know somebody who has a small budget, who maybe is on a fixed income, who is new to crafting and wants to kind of build up a stash, share this with them. You don't have to share the video, just tell them about this sale and let them know that they can pick up some fabulous bargains at very, very low prices. At these prices, I feel like it makes crafting accessible to everybody, and it makes high quality products that are recent releases available to everybody at no matter what your budget is. This is the sort of sale where everything is just so discounted that I don't even mind paying for shipping because I know I'm still ahead, right? In terms of the discount that I'm getting. But if your budget does allow, try to get to maybe that $100 mark, because at that point you're going to get free shipping. So if you're like me, it's not going to be hard to get there. I'm trying to resist putting in a second order. But I think this is definitely a sale that you don't want to miss if you are a Spellbinders fan like I am, or if you know anyone out there who likes, quality products at a good price point. Really good is an understatement. It's a fabulous price point. And in particular, for anyone out there who is on a limited budget, I feel like this is the time to shop. This is the sale to shop, because not everybody can afford to spend $25, $30 on a die set. But for that budget, you could be picking up, 5 to 10 items. And so your dollar will really stretch in this sale. So that's all my motivation is. If you want to use my affiliate link in the description box below, I would definitely appreciate that. You don't pay anything extra. Spellbinders will share a bit of their profit with me as a commission, but don't feel like you have to use that. I just want to get this sale out there so that people know about it, and so that you can save some dollars and build up your stash if that's something that you're interested in doing. Thanks for your time. Happy shopping if you do shop, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.